everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the Donut Show. Just kidding. Okay, let's get into it. Today we're doing another Blender video. And in this video, we are gonna do part 4 of the bee eating plant. So let us open the Blender file first. I don't know. Okay, just open the file. The file is gonna be. Wait, what is it? Oh yeah, untitled. I should actually name this. I actually don't know. Meat. Okay, something went wrong there. But okay, in this video we are gonna do the background and a few other stuff. So first we want to load in the back. Oh no, why did I do that? Okay, so uncheck the plant collection, and I'm assuming you have done my part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, so if you have done that, you would have known what this is. If you're too lazy, then sucks for you. I just get but if you want to learn materials and stuff, click this video. It doesn't matter. But open the collection. Oh, what does it say? Okay, just ignore that. What we gotta do is add mesh, and that's gonna be a plane. Oh, and just scale it like until here. Then press R, and you see how it's like this? You want to scale it on the Y-axis, so it goes like this. Press Control to make it like this. Then you want to change it to 90. So minus 90. And then G for moving. G and X. G and X. And then try to position it like Jesus. Oh no, I keep on pressing the wrong one. And then gonna render. And by the way, change it to cycles, so more realistical. I'm pretty sure you can hear the render of my computer, just like you can hear the powering up, like. First things first. One thing we do need to do. Go to this. I forgot what it was. Oh yes, this. Go to scene and just take everything off. Press. Oh. Denoise. Optics. Change it to optics. And I'm pretty sure it will not be like the dots will kind of fade away. But anyways. I want to go to the nodes, selecting this, go to the nodes. Actually, you don't need to select it. It's right. Ignore me. New. And what we got to do, what is it? Polygon. Because I like Polygon. And shout out to Blender Guru. For Polygon. It's very good. Like, Polygon is a superpower website. Check out his channel and subscribe to his channel. But if you subscribe to his channel, I'll prefer you subscribe to my channels. It'll help me a ton. Okay, anyways, let's get into the video. So search up bricks in Polygon, and then it'll come up with a list of things. And you might not see the texture that I'm using right now, but if you go to number 2, so if you go scroll very down, then you'll see these like numbers. Press on number 2, then scroll very down until you see the this thing. You don't need to copy the brick that I'm using. You can use anything. I'm just gonna use it. So select it. 3K is okay. Diffuse, good. No, not diffuse. No reflection. No. Maybe, nah, don't use that. Free download. Let it prepare to download. Okay, once we've done that, I think it's downloading, and then we can go here. Where's downloads? downloads, and let me just go here. Oops. Put this. Oh, yep. That does make sense. We have to do this. So choose the 3K one. Wait, let me just check. Yeah, choose this. Then put it in somewhere else. And put it inside here. And you'll see it does not look good, so we have to rotate it. Yeah, that's the first thing we have to do. You have to rotate it. So rotate it on the x-axis. My gosh, control. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. Yeah, that's very good. And then go to edit mode. And once you've done that, right click subdivide. Go here. Change the number of cuts to 15. Yeah. And then go to add modifier. Add modifier. Where is the hell is that? Subdivision surface. And if we change it up. And as you can see, the corners are rounded. Doesn't really matter. Then you actually go to object mode. Scale this. You'll see a bit of bump, but you can't really see it. Like you don't really see it much. So go to material and go to roughness. Yes, roughness. And like shininess. So we want to change it pretty much down. Oh, my bad. Control Z. Roughness up. I meant. And then normal. And do that. It should give a thing. And as you can see, it's like brighter on this side and not bright on this side. It's because of the background. And right now, this thing, yes, this thing. You can see if I go here, the sun, right? The sun is pointing. So, yeah. And then if we go to layout, you can see it looks way better. Like, holy, way better. If we go to the camera, oh, if you're wondering how I did this, like, how I did this, I basically, the shortcut how I did it, scroll, come here, and you have to follow me for this. Basically, like, choose an area, like this. This is good. This is a good part. And don't select anything. I prefer not to select anything. And change the AV engine to EV. Just for now, so the computer doesn't crash. Oh yeah, and saying not to crash, do save it. So just Shift S, save, and you're done. The volume just went like up. Okay, I need to get to the point. That begins. Get to the point. So press Shift Alt numberpad 0. No, Control Alt numberpad 0. Control Alt numberpad 0. My bad. And then the camera just snaps to your face. And yeah. This is not what we're looking for. So the size like has to be because we want to get all of the things. So if we get back to the plant, you can see like some part of its head is not going, it's going past. So what we gotta do is change the thing, using this. So change the resolution. You can like change it up. I'm gonna do this. So basically like scroll down using the x-axis and usually he just does that, which is good. Okay, let me just go out of this. And if we shift D, duplicate, and then middle mouse, left click, and then rotate it on the X. No, what is it called? Z axis. Then control and change it to 90. Okay, and then left click. So once it goes to 90 up here, then left click, GY. Let's go. Right here. GZ and right, no, P. Selecting it, P. Control P. No. I think you have to do it in edit mode. P. Yes. P in edit mode. Selection. Okay. Now there's 2 planes. Edit mode. 2 planes. Let's name them. One is gonna be the whoa. And then wall 2. And then what is this? I wonder what that is. Okay, I don't know what that is, so leave that alone. If you have another one, just leave it, okay? Just, yeah. Oh, 2. I thought this was the plane, but it wasn't, which I guess is weird. Let me just check. Yeah, I guess it's weird. So once you've done that, let us go to the camera. That is what it should look like. Okay. Now let's get back to our plant. No, let's not get out to our plant. What I was gonna say, change this to 29.97. Wait. So 23. You didn't see it? Like, slight change here. It's because of the light. The lighting goes different if you change the frame rate. Because it's like different pixels make the it's hard to explain for me because I'm a kid, but if you just like search a random tutorial, then you'll get the information. But I don't give information. This is a Blender video. That is a different topic, not right now. Okay, so once you've changed that, you go to frame range. Wait, let me just take this off. And we will do those things when we're like done the modeling. So wait. Yeah. And then go to the image. The view layer, you don't need to mind about that. But this is a thing, like you can press normal and then it changes. If you want to see what the changes you made, just go to cycles. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, right now it doesn't really look like good. The light is not where it's supposed to be, so like change it here. Good. And if we go to the thing, now we're gonna put the plan. But first, we gotta do something. This is very, very, very important. The color. This is supposed to be like a plant, and dark doesn't like. I don't like dark, so got to change it up just for now. Okay, just for now. So, probably just there. That'll be good. Yeah, it doesn't matter. And I think that will be it for this video, because I've done lots of things. next video, we will continue with the blender